When Jim Silva told me he wanted to do this Truck the Wasteland event, it created an opportunity for me to finish a project that I had started a while back, in March of 2021 to be exact. It was one of those projects where I sort of picked at it in between more important things to do. The casting is a Matchbox Kenwood Aerodyne cab over. They produced it, Matchbox that is, from 1982 until 1998 in a variety of liveries. This one was undoubtedly from one of the NASA Convoy sets released in 1987. The K100 was released in 1961 alongside the conventional W900, the two propelled Kenworth, to one of the leading over-the-road tractor combinations for several decades. Although it was discontinued in the States, it still maintains a huge following in Australia. I hadn't been doing Gaslands that long or 3D printing, but I knew that I wanted this to be a tanker. So I went through a series of tanker backs until I arrived at one I like, and by the time I was doing that, I was using Tinkercad, so I really created and printed my own tanker. The cab was painted and detailed by hand. I highlighted the door lines with a Gundam marker. I used Nuln Oil over the whole project. Upon learning of the Three Blind Mice project, I decided to create a diorama. In the end, the whole kit and caboodle turned out to be a bushwhacking by the Texicans in a dry creek bed in West Texas. You have to be careful hauling all that juice across that territory. There are highwaymen everywhere. I hope you enjoyed the project. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you.